Let's make banana muffins. If you've got bananas that are getting a little too ripe, this is perfect for them. And I've got a playlist of banana recipes for you I'll link to at the end. All the ingredients are on screen now, but also in the description below. I'm going to start with 2 bananas, mash them up in a bowl. Next add 2 eggs and whisk them together. I like to use a fork, but you can use a whisk. Add 3 cups of oats. Again, mixing that all thoroughly. Add in 1/3 cup of honey. Followed by a 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Now's a great time to hit the like button. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in there, 1 cup of milk of choice, dairy or non, unsweetened preferably, and mix that all together thoroughly. We're going to transfer that mixture into the bun cases or muffin cases and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. They come out golden brown, beautiful and moist, and I love using the silicone bun cases because they are reusable and you can just wash them in the dishwasher, making life easier. Check out more amazing recipes on screen now. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I'll see you in the next video.